A very warm welcome to the Learning Home. Today we are going to discuss how we can collaborate with our friends or colleagues using Microsoft Office Word. What I mean by these words is how we can work together on the same Word file in the real time. It is all about sharing the Word documents and write comments on the same documents together with your friends. So imagine a situation, how do we work earlier? Imagine a situation where we have to get the document corrected or commented by our colleagues or friends. So we create the document, we put the document number 0 and we pass to our friends through the email. Then when we receive the comment, we change the document number from 0 to 1 and then communication goes back and forth through the email. That's a kind of lengthy process, isn't it? So what we have right now is if the document is there in the cloud, I mean Microsoft OneDrive, we can share the document using the share option and we can pass the link to our colleague and then he or she can edit. You can see at the same time, or you can edit or he or she can see at the same time. So let's get started. Imagine this is a letter which I want my colleague to comment upon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share the web address of this document to my colleague. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on the right hand side of the screen and there is an option called share. I'm going to click it once and you will see a box appeared over here and you will see an option with the description. Anyone with the link can edit. You have to click over there. So we'll see a multiple option. Here is an option called allow editing. You can set an expiry date. You can set a password as well so that there is no kind of unauthorized access. You can block download as well, but right now we are not discussing deep about that subject. So we have to press apply and then there is multiple option. You can send this document through the email by writing an email address over here. Second one is the copying the link, or you can again use the Outlook to share this document. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy the link for this one and we'll see the link is generated over here and I have copied by copying it here. And I'm going to send this link to my friends using either we can do it through the WhatsApp or email or whatever preferred way to you. So I'm going to send it to it and then I will show you how does he or she work and how can I see those changes. So here is basically I have split my screen into half. On the right hand side is the document which we were working earlier. That was the original document. And on the left hand side is the document which is opened using the web address what I have given to my friend. You can see here is on my friend screen there is an option called Kumar V has his documents open. And similarly on the original document which I was working earlier, you can see there is an option called GC where the guest contributor has this document open as well. So you both are working together at the same time. That's what it means by this. So let's look at how does it affect the changes. So here this is my colleague's screen and this is my screen. So you can see, if imagine my colleague is writing something, you can see it is very clearly getting changed in my documents. So I'm trying to show if I'm going to change, how does it work in my colleague's screen. Same thing, I'm copying it. So it is both way process and it is very quick in depicting and showing the changes what is happening in the real time. Now I'm trying to show the exchange of comments in the similar setting. So what I'm going to do is my colleague is going to give me a comment by writing here. Let's start with there is option called comments, and when you click it once, then this comment box appears and you can create a new comment here. So I'm going to write something for my colleague or somebody else to respond. So and I'm just posting the comment here. So the comment is posted over here, which is reflected here. So let's look at how does it appear my screen. And here is my screen, which is I have opened in the Word file as a and you can see the same comment is reflected over here. So imagine I'm going to reply it. And you will see the same comment goes back to my colleague's screen as well. And this is the screen of my colleague. So you can see the what I have commented as my screen came back to the screen of my colleague. So it's a very user-friendly way to communicate the comment and collaborate together. So that is all for discussion today. In case you find it interesting, please do subscribe, like and share. Please also press the bell icon so that you will be notified about the future videos. And if you want me to cover any new topics, please suggest me by writing in the comment section. I will cover in the future videos. And with this, goodbye and see you soon.